Hi everyone! Today we'll learn basic arithmetic structures in German, and if we have enough time, we'll also talk about ordinals in German. So let's start from addition. If we want in German to say, for example, 9 plus 4 is 13, we have to pronounce and write it this way. 9 plus 4 sind 13. 9 plus 4 sind 13. Or we can say it like 9 plus 4 gleich 13. 9 plus 4 gleich 13. Or another version is 9 und 4 sind 13. 9 und 4 sind 13. Let's use the first version because it's the most popular one. So, the next example of addition. 20 plus 31 is 51. In German, it will be 20, which is our 20, plus 31, which is our 31, sind 51 in German, as you remember, is 51. Sind 51. Or we can write it like 20 und 31 sind 51. Or 20 plus 31 gleich 51. Let's repeat this part of our video. 9 plus 4 sind 13. 9 plus 4 gleich 13. 9 und 4 sind 13. 20 plus 31 sind 51. 20 und 31 sind 51. Now let's talk about subtraction. For example, if we want to say 13 minus 4 is 9. In German, it will sound like 13, which is our 13, minus 4 sind 9. 13 minus 4 sind 9. Or we can say it like 13 weniger 4 sind 9. Weniger means less. So like 13 less 4 is 9. Or another example is 60 minus 41 is 19. It will sound 60 minus 41, 60 minus 41 sind 19. 60 minus 41 sind 19. Or we can say it 60 weniger 41 sind 19. Let's repeat this part too. 13 minus 4 sind 9. 13 weniger 4 sind 9. 60 minus 41 sind 19. 60 weniger 41 sind 19. Now let's talk about multiplication. If we want to say 4 times 5, 4 times 5 is 20. In German, it will be 4 mal 5. 4 mal 5 sind 20. 4 mal 5 sind 20. Or, if we want to say 6 times 9 is 54. In German, it will sound like 6 mal 9 sind 54. 6 mal 9 sind 54. 4 mal 5 sind 20. 6 mal 9 sind 54. And let's talk about division too. If we want to say 20 divided by 4 is 5, in German it will sound like 20 geteilt durch 4 sind 5. 20 geteilt durch 4 sind 5. In division, we can remove the word geteilt, which means divided. And another example is 42 divided by 6 is 7. So in German, it will sound like 42 geteilt durch 6 sind 7. 42 geteilt durch 6 sind 7. 20 geteilt durch 4 sind 5. 42 geteilt durch 6 sind 7. And now let's talk about ordinals in German. First in German is erste. In German, from first to 90th ordinals end in te, as you can see here. Te. And from 20th, they end in ste. Let's write like this. from 1 till 19 is T, and 20 plus is st. Erste is first. Second is zweite. Third is dritte. Dritte. Fourth is vierte. Vierte. Fifth is fünfte. Fünfte. Sixth is sechste. Sechste. Seventh is siebte. Siebte. Eighth is achte. Achte. Ninth is neunte. Neunte. 10th is zehnte. Zehnte. 11th is elfte. 12th will be zwölfte. 13th will be dreizehnte. 14th will be vierzehnte. 15th will be fünfzehnte. Fünfzehnte. 16th will be sechzehnte. 17th will be siebzehnte. 18th will be achtzehnte. 19th will be neunzehnte. And as you remember, from 20 it will end in ste, so 20th is zwanzigste. 21st is einundzwanzigste. 21st. 22nd is zweiundzwanzigste. 23rd is dreiundzwanzigste. Let's repeat this part too and go on. Erste, zweite, dritte, vierte, fünfte, sechste, siebte, achte, neunte, zehnte, elfte, zwölfte, dreizehnte, vierzehnte, fünfzehnte, sechzehnte, siebzehnte, achtzehnte, neunzehnte, zwanzigste, einundzwanzigste, zweiundzwanzigste, dreiundzwanzigste. And let's write, for example, how will be 30th in German. It will sound like dreißigste. Dreißigste. Or 40th is vierzigste. Vierzigste. 50th is fünfzigste. Fünfzigste. 60th is sechzigste. 70th is siebzigste. Siebzigste. 80th is achtzigste. 90th is 90. 90. 100th is 100. 100. 200th is 200. 300th is 300. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. 200. 300. Well, I have prepared this much for today. Please don't forget and subscribe to my channel. Also write comments under the videos and like the videos. Thank you.